Everybody walk and dip in them lower waist. You are dipping in your face. Move your nastiness. Go fix your nostril and breathe properly. Not even when them stand dog sound like you. Go fix your nose, your surgery them lean, and you alone them pull up. That's why she will not stop. Your past Rosalie, who is the aggressor, to go address Candy. Candy outside, she's supposed to express herself. She's been provoked in the party. Candy is not a Christian come at your party. Look how Candy dressed, like the concubine in the Bible. So why you go to Candy for Candy know better? And she has been holding it in the party. And everybody knows when them say when Rosalie drinks, she's a different person. But who not support that behavior when she's drunk? And who defend it and nobody not seeing it. She's an embarrassment when she's drunk. Uno testify about it because me and I never go drink out yet. Uno come back because Uno can't keep on the mouth, you know. Uno come back and testify about it, but yet still Uno defend the same behavior with this gossip, you know. Remember, say Switzerland did have to clean up vomit for Rosalie at the Airbnb, you know, and the whole of them sit down and chat and who say keep that secret here. Don't say this, don't say that. Why? Why? Come here. May I ask you something, Christina? Can't you tune enough for you? Why? We not like when people talk the truth, when girl bust up the truth on a bit. Rebel, move for me so your skin stay bad like you want some water with cucumber. Move your nastiness. Oh, your blood want beat, it want rinse and sun. Go ahead. You come and talk like you look good, girl, like you stay good and you have bad skin. Make the whole our reason that we have to live under filter. Make the whole our reason like you used to sleep on barbed wire bed, your face crab up like you have fight from preach. Make the whole our reason. You go like you're a girl with good blood and a cocky bust you. From me know your cocky was a nipple buckle. Eh? And you come and go on. You go like your girl will go get your regular check-up and you alone walk and buy the pum-pum product. You know you're infected. Remember say you advertise cookie to the public where walk and sick crutches. Move your stinking self, rebel. A long time you use vinegar and hot water up in your hole. In your strip up. Oh. Me not tell no lie. Any girl with so clit and dick and lick out batty can reason with me between your teeth having shit. Oh.